They say the ocean's calm waters can hide monsters that will swallow everything in their path whole. These giants of the deep have been stirring for millennia, leaving a trail of devastation in their wake. But there is a secret code hidden within the crashing waves, a language that has the power to predict their behavior. Today we're going to dive deep into this mysterious code and uncover the secrets of tsunamis, tidal waves, and rogue waves. By understanding their differences, we can better predict and prepare for these natural disasters. So let's get started and decode the secrets of the ocean's fury together. Tsunamis, tidal waves, and rogue waves are all ocean-based natural disasters, but they have different causes and characteristics. Let's break down the key differences between them. First, we have tsunamis. These massive waves are typically caused by earthquakes or volcanic eruptions that occur beneath the ocean surface. When these events take place, they displace a large amount of water, creating a series of waves that radiate outward from the source. Unlike wind-generated waves, which only have a small amplitude compared to their wavelength, tsunami waves can be over 100 feet tall, which is around 30 meters. Imagine standing on a beach as a wall of water twice the size of a 20-story building crashes towards you. That's the kind of power we're talking about here. Now, while tsunamis can be caused by earthquakes or volcanic eruptions, they can also be triggered by other events such as landslides or even the impact of asteroids. In 2004, a 9.1 magnitude earthquake in the Indian Ocean triggered a devastating tsunami that affected 14 countries and claimed over 220,000 lives. This event was one of the deadliest in recorded history and highlighted the destructive potential of these ocean giants. Next, we have tidal waves. These giant ocean waves are different from tsunamis because they are caused by the gravitational pull of the moon and the sun on the Earth's oceans. Twice a year, the moon and Earth's orbit align in a way that results in extra high tides known as spring tides. During these times, the combined gravitational forces of the moon and sun pull the ocean water towards them, causing higher than usual tides. While not as large as tsunami waves, tidal waves can still be dangerous, especially when they occur during storms or other extreme weather events. For example, in 2005, a storm surge associated with Hurricane Katrina caused catastrophic flooding in New Orleans, Louisiana. The storm surge was so powerful that it caused a wave of water to sweep across the city, causing billions of dollars in damage and displacing hundreds of thousands of people. Finally, we have rogue waves. These unpredictable ocean giants are the largest and most dangerous of the three types of waves. Unlike tsunamis or tidal waves, rogue waves are not caused by any predictable astronomical phenomenon or geological event. Instead, they occur due to random atmospheric and oceanic conditions that combine to create an extremely large wave. Rogue waves can be over 100 feet tall and strike with little to no warning, making them incredibly dangerous to ships and coastal communities. One of the most famous rogue waves ever recorded was the Dropner wave, which was measured in the North Sea in 1990. The wave was over 100 feet tall and captured on radar, surprising scientists who believed such large waves were only theoretical. Now that we understand the key differences between tsunamis, tidal waves and rogue waves, it's time to learn how to stay safe if you find yourself in one of these situations. First, it's important to know how to identify each type of wave. If you see a tsunami coming, the best thing to do is to get out of the danger zone as quickly as possible. Tsunamis typically occur in coastal areas and can cause significant damage to buildings and infrastructure. If you're in a coastal community, it's important to know your evacuation routes and be prepared to leave at a moment's notice. On the other hand, if you find yourself in the path of a tidal wave, it's equally important to move away from the coast as quickly as possible. However, unlike tsunamis, tidal waves often occur predictably, giving you time to prepare. Finally, if you're facing a rogue wave, your best bet is to stay put and ride out the wave if it's too late to evacuate. Rogue waves are often unpredictable and catching a glimpse of one is rare. However, if you do spot one, it's crucial to take cover immediately as these waves can be deadly. In conclusion, tsunamis, tidal waves, and rogue waves are all fascinating and powerful natural phenomena that we must respect and prepare for. By learning about the differences between these ocean giants and understanding how to stay safe in each situation, we can better protect ourselves and our coastal communities. So let us continue to explore the mysteries of the ocean and learn more about the incredible forces that shape our planet. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more exciting science and text adventures.